All right, so for this short week, there's a couple things I want you to do. First off, on Monday, we went through and on Shmoop, we had a few lessons on parallel structure, and we also went over sentence fragments, what makes a complete sentence, and why it's important to identify these sentence fragments. So if you follow kind of along where I have gone, and you can slow it down on your end, you're going to go to the ACT exam prep section on Shmoop. And then right here, you're going to come down where it says Conventions of Standard English Sentence Structure. I want you to go through the review here, and it'll go through and you can select what review you want to. But after that, I want you to take the sentence fragment drill and the parallel structure drill, and I want you to write down why you missed the ones that you did miss. I want to know that. Writing this down will hopefully help you retain that information as we go forward with the ACT. Now, for the remainder of this week, we are focusing on writing our counterclaim paragraph and finishing chapter 3 for the Great Gatsby. I don't know if we're going to get to this chapter 3 Great Gatsby quiz this week. If we do, it will be Wednesday, and I'm going to change the due date on here so it doesn't show as late on your guys' end. But I want to stress to you guys, make sure you are caught up on the book, and make sure you are asking any questions as we go along if you have questions. So please reach out to me as far as that goes. Now with your counterclaim paragraph, I want you to start on it, and I've listed all the steps. Now in class we've gone over what's in a counterclaim paragraph, and I have posted recordings and am posting recordings on what we're doing in class. If you have questions, please email me or join the Zoom conference. Some of you aren't taking advantage of that, so please do. So just follow these steps, and if you have more questions on writing this counterclaim, please reach out to me before it's due. We are going to revise it a little as peers on Wednesday and possibly Monday, depending on how our schedule goes with the short schedule Wednesday. So feel free to jump in on Zoom too, and you can take advantage of having peer help. So that's all we're doing for this week. If you have more questions, let me know. Thank you.